So we're going to, good evening, y'all. It's yours truly, A. Bills City Council. I have the autopsy report of the Keenka Jenkins case. I think this is a hoax, y'all. One reason why I feel like this is a hoax, and I'm going to point it out to you, I want you to look at the name, Keenka L. Jenkins, right? Now, you're going to go right here. As you go down, I'm going to scroll down, and this is her autopsy report from Cook County, as you can see, right? And you can see the date, you can see her name, age 19, 20, 21, right? Now, we're going to go right here, and I'm going to show it to you. And if you follow me on YouTube, if you follow me on Instagram at Bizzle Radio, you can actually view it. But here it is, the initially report. Now, I think it's page 5. When it said the thymus. Oh, when it said the thymus was not identified. Right here. See that? Now I want y'all to study that word right here. The thymus is not identified, right? Now I want y'all to go right here. I want you to go right here. And then they're gonna show the birth date of this lady, right? 5/27/1998, right? So that leads me in the question. Keenka said her birthday was in October, right? So you saying, well, damn, how this possible? Could this be the wrong person? Look at that. You see that, y'all? Okay, another thing I want to show y'all is they modify her name. Modified. Y'all see that? Sample comment. Patient name modified. 926. Keenka Jenkins. You see that? So who is this person? Get that? You can't do that. This is supposed to be a death certificate. Y'all see that? Haha. Stay informed, y'all. It's yours truly, A. Bill City Council, #1 station in space, out of space. It's Bill.